Fee. Come see.
Hey. Baby.
Look.
Hi.
See, I love boxes. I love boxes.
This is yours. This is
Oh my goodness. You got you a new bed?
Is it yours? Yeah. Lay down. Come lay down.
Oh my goodness. I love my bed. It's going to be fun.
Is this your bed? Yeah. That's all that's in the box.
This is Fiona, everybody.
Because I not know what to do.
Pona, what are you doing? Do you love your bed? Are you going to clean it?
Oh.
You going to clean it? And say, oh, this is my bed, I know. And I was going to do a big cleaning. Look at her. She's so sweet. Oh my goodness.
Good baby.
Say my bed is dirty and I got to do it a cleaning.
So cute. Oh my goodness.
She looks like FaZe Rain right there with the rat face. Okay, enough cuteness.